Subscribe Sabrocus. Hi guys, today we are going to unbox and compare 7.1 mm with 8 mm and less than 7.1 mm ammos for Slingshot. Don't skip the video. Subscribe and click the bell icon. Connect you to the world. I have ordered this in indianslingshot.com. It takes around 5 days to deliver to my location. I have ordered 1 kg steel balls of size 7.1 mm. For this order, I paid around 450 plus shipping 200. It costs around 650 INR. Also, it contains 711 pieces for 1 kg, so we can make 711 shoots. Okay, it is pretty heavy. It may seem, is it really 1 kg? But yes, it is heavy. But one thing, they mentioned some free product will be delivered along this order. But we don't see anything like this. Is they faking free product? This is how it looks, the 7.1 mm ammo. Let's drop all ammos in flat surface and see how 1 kg looks. This is 8 mm steel ball. Let's pick 7.1 mm and compare with it. For visible eyes, there is no much difference. Now just compare with more smaller than 7 mm. Yes, now you can see the visible difference. But in comparing 8 mm and 7 mm, there is no much difference. For shooting birds, the 7.1 mm is enough. Let's try to shoot the wild birds with the 7.1 mm in next video. Stay connected. Danke. Tschüss.